Assalamualaikum and good day to all of you. Today I want to teach you how to use the software DIFFRAC.EVA to calculate the crystalline index. Okay, open the software. Make sure you have 3 panel, data command panel, data tree panel, and document property panel. Okay, now you can import your file. Okay, make sure you have crystalline effect and amorphous. Okay, so you can calculate the percentage. Okay, so now you should go to strip K alpha 2 first to remove K alpha 2 effect. Okay, and then replace, and then you go to background to adjust the dash line, follow the amorphous curve. This is amorphous curve. This is peak of crystalline, so make sure the dash line follow the amorphous curve. So you can adjust from here manually, and then after you satisfied, you can close. And then how to calculate the crystalline index, just go to this property. Okay, and then you see here crystalline, and then you can calculate the crystalline percentage. Just click this box, and then you can see the percentage of crystallinity is about around 39.5%, and amorphous percentage is around 60.5%. Okay, this is how to you calculate crystallinity index. Okay, hopefully you can understand. This is very simple step to get the information. Thank you.